Hey guys, welcome to LS Everyday. In today's build, I'm going to teach you how to make a nice design for your house. Now this is a very simple cross, takes less than 10 minutes to do. This was made from scrap woods from a pallet that I had, and it just turns out absolutely beautiful. And without further ado, let's get into the build. So guys, the first thing that we're gonna do is find some scrap woods that you have laying around that are gonna be about same width each board. That's what I was looking for, and that they just have a little bit different colors so they actually can vary. They're not just all the same color. Now once you kind of have your design, lay them out, see that they do contrast with each other, they look good. Just take a couple. Now let's go rip them to size. And I did cut them about 1.5 inches of each strip. You can cut this to whatever length you like. This just made more sense for the cross that I was making, and it turned out very well. One by one, make sure you're cutting every strip the same size. This is actually going to be very important because it's going to give it that symmetrical look onto the cross. It's going to give it just enough space between each board so the cross actually looks good with the right dimension. Now after we have all the strips, what we're going to do is we're actually going to lay them around. Make sure you find a nice pattern. Make sure you have all of them how they contrast the most with each other, and just the way that you actually like them. Something that's very important, make sure that whatever you're going to grip it with, whenever you glue it up, it actually fits. And I'm happy I did this before gluing because I found out I had one too many strips. You just kind of want to make sure you have the right layout where you're going to put the cross, so that way you don't have too many on top, too many at the bottom, or just too many to one side or the other. Now once you're set on where your cross is going to be, make sure you know where the middle and which one you're going to split where, and which one's going to be off to the sides in the middle to actually do the cross in the middle. Now grab all the pieces that are going to be cut and just split them in half, and then start laying them down however you want to make your cross. Now I did measure this out and actually left 1.5 inches on every single part of the cross, and this makes it look absolutely beautiful. Now at this moment is where you want to move some boards around if you want to interchange them, or now if you want more over on one side or on the other, this is the time to do so before you apply the glue. Always make sure you place something on the bottom of the board so your glue doesn't stick to your workbench, as I have before, and I've learned my lesson. Now to glue them, all you got to do is flip boards up and apply glue on every single side that you like to glue. And then start setting them down little by little, make your final adjustments, and then clamp them down. Now, since this is a long board that is being glued up, you do want to put some pressure on the top, make sure that it doesn't go up or down. Now, I did this by just grabbing 2 extra boards that I have laying around and put some weight on top. And now make sure you wait for the glue to dry. Hey guys, so after you take off the clamps and you've let it dry, this is your final product. Now, I thought of sanding it down, but it just looks absolutely perfect and rough the way it is. I was really gonna make this a lot nicer, but I just saw it and I was like, actually, that's exactly how I want it from the beginning. I'm not even gonna cut down any of the edges. They were actually purposely made off this way, and I think it's gonna look great on the wall. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend that might like this. Again, this only took like not even 10 minutes to do, and it was a great piece for my house, which I will be putting it up today. Just put a little nail on the back and we're good to go. So again, let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and I hope to see you on the next build. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.